saw you aside, I'll always know your eyes like stars in the night, sparked a feeling so bright in the quiet street under the starry sky. The air was filled with sweet perfume. The breeze whispers a brand new try. As we met in this little room, your smile, a gentle summer breeze, your eyes like the ocean so deep and wide, touch my heart with such ease. This moment I'm lost in the tide. Our first words were like a symphony. Our hands touched, a spark lit inside, filling the silence, setting me free. The air was filled with a sweet surprise. I felt a warmth deep inside, like a fire burning bright. The first time I felt this kind of love. In that moment, time stood still. It's like a gentle dove. Our connection, it did spill. The world seems to slow down right now. I knew this was more than a fling. Our hearts are dancing a beautiful show. It was the start of a brand new thing. No words can quite describe this glow. The world around faded away. It was just you and me that day. First time I